So Rebecca, you're here today 5 weeks after I did your Achilles tendon surgery, right?
Yes.
And you had a lot of pain in the back of your heel, right?
A lot of pain. Yeah, I
How
cried.
long?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Okay. And so we've tried everything non-surgical, and we've
Mhm.
tried it, and basically, like, it was time for plan B, right?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show basically for the video reasons. So basically the problem was right here, and you had a bone spur in the back of your Achilles tendon. So we did the mini open procedure, what we call. So we combined the Tenjet, and I also removed part of the bone spur that was shredding the tendon, right?
Mhm.
And you are 5 weeks after the surgery, and you said you just walked 8 blocks
Yes.
in bad shoes, and still no pain, right?
Still no pain. I was so shocked. I was like, everybody was checking on me. Can we keep going, or do you need to stop and take a break? And I was like, no, I'm fine. Let's just keep going. I had such a great time, and I was shocked. So thankful.
Yeah, so comparison to how much pain you had to now, how much better are you?
I would say like 95%.
Nice.
I'm so thankful.
Good. So for people who suffer with insertional Achilles tendonitis and bone spurs and heel spurs, would you recommend the mini open procedure?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and you see how recuperation is so fast, because if you had the full-blown open surgery, you'd be just getting out of the wheelchair.
Yeah,
You know, and I'm going to show you incision side, but like you can see like a tiny little scab, but like,
right. It's,
you know, it's, and minimal swelling. Well, you're doing great. I'm very proud of you.
Thank
Good
you.
job.